would dictate that chivalry is gender-free.
Elaine Swann is an etiquette expert and founder of the Swann School of Protocol in Carlsbad and says the Me Too movement has affected today's work culture and the way men behave around their female colleagues.
Do not bring it inside with you to a job interview. Opportunity to establish who you are. So be sure that you all are infusing this in your language.
The one thing I could see clearly was myself on national TV. So I went for it. And it was hard. I spent a tremendous amount of money and time and effort traveling to journalism conferences, TV workshops. I wrote articles, I put them on the internet, I called producers, I stalked them, I emailed, I called again, and I heard lots and lots of no's, and in many instances, nothing but silence. Silence, because if producers are not interested in what you have to say, they don't respond. They say nothing. But I persisted. I continued on. I became a stalker. And I went after those producers, and I kept in my mind that I knew that I had something valuable to give. And after 2 years of trying, I landed my first national appearance on the Today Show.
Some wedding etiquette. Okay, this is such a good one. Here to answer your questions is etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Hi, Elaine.
Glad to be here.
From California.
Yeah, we were kind of saying that weddings can bring out the drama, can make people feel. Is it the stress? What is it?
It is. It's the stress. It's the combined. It's the family thing.
Yeah.
You know, family is already crazy just to get to start with. But then when you add a big event, a lifetime event, then that's when people can get a little bit icky. Don't bring nothing. Okay. Leave it at home. Because, you know, the hosts, they prepare the meal. They know what they want to serve, and they really don't want you to infringe on whatever it is they're preparing. So now what we have to do is kind of reel that thing back and get them back in check. But parents also have to set a good example as well. We're on the phone, we're complaining about the school staff, the this and that. We're saying things that aren't so nice, and our kids are listening.
With lifestyle and etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Elaine, you're here to solve our problems.
Oh my goodness, yes. So problems do happen this time of year.
So
allow the server to come to the left or the right of you. Don't dodge back and forth as they're bringing anything.
Seek wise counsel. Pick out someone in your life that you can run things by that aren't so impressed by you that they aren't afraid to tell you the truth. And let that person know, you know what? I'm having trouble with somebody, but I just want to bounce this off of you and see, is it me? Or am I seeing this way? Find someone in your life that's willing to tell you the truth. Be crazy and leave that friendship alone. That's it for today, ladies. Thank you.